Scaffolding refers to a temporary structure used in construction, maintenance, or repair work to support workers and materials at heights. It provides a stable platform for tasks such as painting, bricklaying, window installation, and more. Scaffolding is essential for ensuring safety, accessibility, and efficiency on job sites. Scaffolding comes in various types, each designed for specific applications and environments. Below are the most common types. Supported scaffolding is the most common type, consisting of platforms supported by rigid frames, poles, or legs. It is used for construction, repairs, and maintenance work. Suspended scaffolding consists of platforms suspended from rooftops or overhead structures using ropes or cables. It is ideal for high-rise cleaning, such as window washing or inaccessible areas. Mobile scaffolding is mounted on wheels for easy movement and is used for tasks requiring frequent repositioning, such as indoor maintenance. Cantilever scaffolding is supported by a series of needles or beams projecting from the building and is used when ground-level support isn't feasible. Trestle scaffolding is a platform supported by movable ladders or tripods and is commonly used indoors for tasks like ceiling repairs. Steel or tube scaffolding is made of steel tubes and couplers for added strength and durability and is widely used in large-scale construction projects. Bamboo or wooden scaffolding is traditional scaffolding made from bamboo or wood, still used in some regions due to cost-effectiveness but less durable than steel. Aerial lifts, or mechanical scaffolding, include scissor lifts, boom lifts, and cherry pickers, providing mobility and height access for specialized tasks. Proper installation is critical for safety and functionality. Here's how scaffolding is typically installed. First, assess the site and determine the type of scaffolding needed, ensuring compliance with local regulations and load-bearing requirements. Level the ground and ensure it can support the scaffolding's weight, using base plates or sole boards to distribute weight evenly. Assemble vertical standards, or uprights, first, followed by horizontal ledgers and transoms, securing all components with bolts, clamps, or couplers. Install planks or decking materials to create a stable working surface, ensuring platforms are tightly secured and free of defects. Install guardrails, midrails, and toe boards to prevent falls, and add diagonal braces for stability. Conduct a thorough inspection before use to ensure structural integrity. Dismantling scaffolding requires careful planning to avoid accidents. Follow these steps: remove all tools, materials, and debris from the scaffolding before dismantling. Begin dismantling from the highest point and work downward, avoiding the removal of supports or braces prematurely. Employ cranes, hoists, or ropes to lower heavy components safely. Remove planks, guardrails, and frames systematically, ensuring all parts are lowered gently to prevent damage or injury. Finally, check the site for any remaining hazards or debris after dismantling. Scaffolding safety is governed by strict regulations to protect workers and the public. Key guidelines include that scaffolds must be designed, erected, and maintained by qualified personnel according to OSHA standards in the USA. Guardrails must be installed at heights above 10 feet. Workers must be trained on scaffold safety and fall protection. Scaffolding must support its own weight and at least 4 times the maximum intended load. Use personal fall arrest systems or guardrails to prevent falls. Provide safe access, such as ladders or stair towers, to scaffolding platforms. Conduct daily inspections before use and after adverse weather conditions. Avoid using scaffolding during high winds, storms, or icy conditions. Barricade the area around scaffolding to protect pedestrians and bystanders. Workers must be trained on scaffolding erection, use, and dismantling, and only competent individuals should supervise scaffolding operations.